But normally when there are pay adjustments, we cannot do it all at one go because of budgetary implications. So we have been doing it for different groups over the last 2 or 3 years. And this is the last batch of the realignment after an assessment by the former Pay Review Board. Now, this last adjustment has also had to be approved by the new Salaries and Remuneration Commission, though it is a decision that had been made much earlier and was just awaiting Treasury allocation of the funds. So try to listen carefully. The reason is that I do not want other categories of employees to think we have made a salary increase to some civil servants and left the others. This is actually a debt that had been approved before, and only payment is commencing now, 1st of July, after Treasury was able to make available the funds. You realize even when we did the police, they are being done in stages. When we did the teachers from the 1997 negotiated payments, they were being done in stages. Every year there is a tranche being implemented, and the teachers section is going to end in July 2013 when they go through another round of collective bargaining, which then is phased out because budgetary resources are not always available to be implemented in one go. It cannot just fit. When we did the doctors, you also realize we phased them out. There is a bit that came 1st of January this year. The second phase is coming 1st of July, and so on. So this is what we are calling realignment, so that all the categories of our employees are now paid on the basis of the assessed fair remuneration aligned with the rest of the other payments to the other categories. Now, this has been one of the issues the Union of Kenya Civil Servants and the professional associations in the public health sector have been raising as a grievance. So it is in fulfillment of what we already promised, what we already calculated, what was already rightly due to them, but Treasury was holding us because of resources not being available. From 1st of July, we were able to get the 6.8 billion shillings which was necessary to implement this phase of realignment pay levels. The National Youth Service Officers now ranges from 12 to 22% and brings the National Youth Service salaries within reasonable levels in comparison with the disciplined services. Previously, they have told us the youth service should also be armed, but we feel they should remain a national youth service, not armed like the police or the administration police or even the prison services. But their jobs can be enriched sufficiently and their payment considered in the light of the actual services based on actual work that they have to do as part of their core mandate.